Akbar and Birbal.
Long live the Emperor!
Long live the Emperor!
Interesting. It speaks.
Speak!
Your Majesty, he picks up words very fast.
Very fast!
Your Majesty, this is a gift for you.
For you!
Say, Your Majesty!
Your Majesty!
Thank you for bringing me such a beautiful parrot.
Beautiful parrot!
Take him inside and put him in a golden cage. Want some more?
Want some more?
I'm asking you.
Asking you!
You naughty one.
You naughty one!
Take good care of this parrot under your personal supervision. It should not fall sick.
You don't have to do any work now. Good for you.
Good for you!
Oh my God, what a parrot he is!
But be careful to speak in front of him.
He might repeat it someday.
Repeat it someday!
Hey, keep quiet!
Keep quiet!
Eat, my dear. Come on.
How long has he not eaten?
Many days.
But he looks healthy.
Not as healthy as he did before.
Don't worry. I'll give him this medicine. He'll start eating. Oh! You idiot! You fool!
You idiot! You fool!
Be careful, sir. Don't utter bad words in front of him.
Bad words!
Raja Birbal, please save this poor old man. The emperor will punish him. He was doing his best looking after him.
Don't worry. I will report the death of the parrot to the emperor. You don't say anything. Let me do the talking. Long live the emperor.
Birbal, so early in the morning? Is anything wrong with the parrot?
Not any longer, Your Majesty.
What do you mean, not any longer?
He died.
What? How? Why?
Because he was not happy here, Your Majesty. Your beautiful palace was no match to the lush green forest where he was born. Your golden cage could not confine him. He was longing to fly in the forest where he had grown up. But his struggle for freedom cost him his life.
Birbal, not only have you saved this old servant the punishment, you have opened my eyes too. The birds are not meant for cages. They belong to nature, with freedom to fly.